Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today's topic is one that many of you have been asking us about, and that's how to start a successful online business. With the rise of e-commerce and the increasing number of people turning to the internet to do their shopping, starting an online business can be a great way to tap into a large market and create a successful career for yourself. So, let's dive in. First things first, before you start any business, you need to have a clear idea of what you want to offer and who your target audience is. Are you going to be selling products, services, or both? Who are you trying to reach? Once you have a clear idea of these things, you can start to create a plan for your business. Next, you'll need to choose a platform for your online business. There are many options out there, from creating your own website to using third-party platforms like Etsy, Amazon, or eBay. Consider the pros and cons of each option and choose the one that makes the most sense for your business. Now that you have a plan and a platform, it's time to start building your brand. This includes creating a memorable logo, designing a website or online store, and creating a strong social media presence. Your brand should be consistent across all platforms and should accurately represent your business and its values. Marketing is also a crucial part of any successful online business. You'll need to create a marketing plan that includes strategies for search engine optimization, SEO, social media marketing, email marketing, and more. Remember, marketing is all about reaching your target audience and getting them interested in what you have to offer. Of course, none of this will matter if you don't have a quality product or service to offer. Make sure that you're offering something that people want and need, and that you're delivering it in a way that exceeds their expectations. Great customer service is also key to keeping your customers happy and coming back for more. Finally, don't be afraid to seek out help and advice from others who have been successful in starting their own online businesses. Join online communities and forums, attend webinars and workshops, and connect with other entrepreneurs. Remember, starting a successful online business is a journey, and it's important to stay open to learning and growing along the way. So there you have it, folks. Our guide to starting a successful online business. We hope that you found this information helpful and that it inspires you to take the leap and start your own online venture. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more great content. See you next time.